My name is Megan Carl, and I just did Catherine Bird's Light Warrior Retreat. And it was like the best retreat ever. I have so many good things to say about it. I don't know if I can even put it into words. But I will say that I got so much value out of it, being someone who really wants to share my gifts with the world and struggling with self-doubt and other challenges. I had so much time to process with other amazing light warriors, and I got so much reflection and positive feedback, and I just feel totally prepared to go out into the world and really give my gifts. I just have so many good things to say about it. I'll keep it at that. So do her retreats and get your gifts out there.